Tired of endless website builder options? Let's settle the score between Tilda and Wix to uncover which platform truly reigns supreme for your online presence. First, Tilda, known for its visually stunning, minimalist design. Tilda uses a block-based system. This means you select pre-designed sections and customize them, creating a clean, professional website with ease. Advantage: fantastic design control within a structured framework. Now, Wix offers a fully drag-and-drop editor, granting unparalleled creative freedom. However, this flexibility can sometimes feel overwhelming. Wix also boasts a huge app market, extending functionalities like e-commerce, bookings, and more. Advantage: high degree of customization with access to extensive third-party apps. Regarding pricing, both offer free plans with limitations. Wix's paid plans start cheaper but can quickly increase with added features. Tilda's paid plans are slightly more expensive but offer more features in its basic paid tier. Consider your budget and desired functionality when making your decision. When it comes to SEO, Wix offers a more user-friendly SEO whiz, guiding you through optimizing your site for search engines. Tilda provides solid SEO features but might require more technical understanding. Wix takes the lead when it comes to SEO. So, which one is right for you? If you prioritize stunning, modern design with ease of use and a less cluttered feel, Tilda is a strong contender. If you want unparalleled design flexibility, comprehensive features, and a robust app market, Wix is a better fit. Consider your website's purpose and your technical skill when making a choice.